Hello, we're down here at the Optimal Office Space and Gym project. We took this space from unfinished and converted it into a desk here. And then this is going to be set up as a stand-up desk. And then inside here, we put down these nice, big, thick commercial gym mats. Their daughter does some ballet, so we put in this ballet bar and we got a bunch of mirrors. When we installed the mirrors, we realized how much more it actually opened up this space, which was pretty crazy. It's almost like a room inside of a room. I'm really excited with how it came together. We ended up doing these floating shelves. We did LED strip lights in here that were recessed into the cavity, and then did some puck lights above. And if you look on this countertop, we did the same thing, LED strip light with some puck lights going up. It was the customer's idea to do the wallpaper, and when I saw it, I was actually a little bit like, holy, that's a little busy. But after it went up, I was really happy with how it turned out, and I kind of feel like it made the space. She actually did it herself, and it turned out great. There was so much different spots where it had to line up in it, and yeah, it turned out awesome. If you're stuck at home now and you need some office space or some gym space built out in your house, we can do that. If you'd like your project built with communication, call us today.
Oh, I see. I think it works.